I'm a professor of Italian culture and society and a philosopher. And philosophers, like children, ask what and why. What is philosophy? What is art? What is society? What is politics? Maybe because I come from the Italian Alps and I ended up living in the woods of North Carolina, I ask myself, what is nature? What happens to life when life is caught in social systems? In my recent studies, I have explored the implications and limits of the sustainability paradigm. What is sustainability? When did it emerge as a notion? What are sustainable natures? And are there natures that are non-sustainable or other forms of natures? And if so, how can we visualize them? Who decides what is sustainable and what is not sustainable, and for what purposes? In order to understand what nature is, I studied how philosophers conceptualize natures, philosophers such as Nietzsche, Bergson, Deleuze. But I then realized that nowadays we refer to nature in other ways. Nature for us is mostly the environment, the ecosystem, the earth of earth system sciences and ecology. Since I joined the University of St. Gallen, my research has gained another dimension. In Switzerland, nature is mostly an accessible public good. And yet, in the European continent, the environment is always at risk. Pollution, environmental hazard, toxic waste are constantly shaping the biosphere, and therefore a new category, the so-called Anthropocene, has been introduced. Along with Emmanuel Loa, we have organized a conference on the politics of nature and invited scholars and artists from around the world to discuss with us the current definitions of nature.